Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to do some 3D swirl nails by using our clear builder gel. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of spilt milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with a lint-free wipe moistened in nail polish remover. Using white glaze chrome powder, rub onto your nail in circular motions using your chrome powder application sponge. Dust away any excess chrome powder. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using gold chrome powder, rub onto your nail in circular motions using your chrome powder application sponge. Dust away any excess chrome. Using clear builder gel and your thin nail art brush, paint a swirly oval near the edge of your nail. Cure for 10 seconds in between sections to keep the shape thick. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe your nail with a lint-free wipe moistened in nail polish remover to remove the excess gold chrome. Using Bad Romance and your thin nail art brush, paint an outline on the outside of the gold chrome. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Thanks for watching.